Hello, this will be a common day video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create value rating questions. This is an important stepping stone to help you understand another more advanced function of common day. This will also allow you to answer a question with a set of rating bars. Each rating bar will have a value that you can rate from 0 to 10. Depending on how you rate each value will determine the priority of each answer. This will show your users how common day is driven by human values. Using those values, we can answer a user's question to the best of our ability. With that being said, let's get to the example. So in today's example, we're going to be using a theoretical car company, and this theoretical car company will be presenting its new SUV models. So our problem knowledge record will be person can request information on SUV. Now, if you would like a more detailed video or a detailed lesson on how to create problem knowledge records, please refer to our problem solving video. With that being said, let's go. After you have created your problem knowledge record, you will now move on to creating your value rating knowledge record or value rating KR. So you will go back to knowledge records, add item. On the left term is usually person. Right term will have our keyword, SUV, presenting our new SUV models, and the relation type will be can rate values for. So the knowledge record will read out person can rate values for SUV. Add the item. Go to personality knowledge rating to give our value rating KR some values. So select your persona, add a knowledge record, look for your value rating KR, add and rate, give it values that you believe have to do with your specific situation. So in the case of someone looking for SUV or presenting our new SUV models, I am going to go with, what is the price of the car? So economy. How does it interact with the environment? So nature. How does the car perform overall? Performance. And how safe is the car? Safety. So I selected values that I believe have to do with values that I think a person looking for an SUV or presenting new SUV models will have. And you should consider values for your situation and set them all at 5 for the value rating KR. Now the next step is to link the value rating KR to our problem KR. So we'll go to our problem KR first. Person can request information on SUV. Go to the far right arrow tab, go to link here. I'm going to add an item. So the left KR will be our problem knowledge record. Our link term will be has value rating KR. Our right KR will be our value rating KR. So person can rate values for SUV. Select it. Order will be 1 since we're only using one link knowledge record. I'll type in, I am looking for an SUV. Set the values. And notice that I set nature and economy very high and safety and performance very low. Sorry, other way around. Nature and economy very low and safety and performance very high. So the Panther appears first. And if I were to reverse the roles, oops. Sorry. The big brother will be put into priority. I'll show you the reason. And there. So I have this knowledge record. I have information on Panther. And as you can see, economy and nature are very low and performance and safety are very high. So in the video, safety and performance are very high and nature and economy are very low. And so the Panther is put into priority. But looking at this knowledge record, it does not directly link itself to the problem knowledge record. I have a person can request information on SUV, and therefore and a person might think, well, how does it appear on the chatbot? Well, there's another knowledge record. Panther is a type of SUV, and this knowledge record acts as a bridge between the knowledge record. Person can request information on SUV to I have information on Panther. And it would be the same case for the big brother. There is a knowledge record which says I have information on, so I have information on big brother. Again, this will not directly correlate to, or not correlate, will tie itself to person can request information on SUV. What ties this knowledge record and the problem knowledge record together is big brother is a type of SUV. This knowledge record ties the two together. And this is how you get options for your value rating KR. And that is it for this video. I hope you found this helpful, and I also hope you have a nice day.